Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the Travel Budget Planner template, step by step. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a 2 week international trip, this spreadsheet keeps your budget, itinerary, and bookings organized. It supports up to 5 trips, so you can plan the whole year ahead. Let's start on the trip dashboard. This is your overview of all upcoming travel. Each trip is listed with a destination, dates, total budget, and amount spent so far. Portugal in September, budget of 3,500. Ski trip to Colorado in January, 2,200. You always know where your travel money stands at a glance. Now let's look at the budget breakdown tab. Here you set your spending plan by category. Enter estimates for flights, hotels, food, activities, transportation, and shopping. For Portugal, flights at 850, accommodations at 900, food at 400, activities at 350. As you log expenses later, this tab shows estimated versus actual for every category. Next up is the daily itinerary tab. Map out each day of your trip. Day 1, arrive in Lisbon, check into hotel, walk through Alfama, dinner at a local spot. Day 2, day trip to Sintra, visit Pina Palace, lunch at the market. Having it written out means you're not wasting vacation time figuring out what to do next. Here's a tab you'll really appreciate, the packing checklist. Build a list by category, clothes, toiletries, electronics, documents, and check off each item as you pack it. Passport, checked. Phone charger, checked. Sunscreen, checked. Simple, but it saves you every single time. Now let's look at the currency converter. Enter the local currency and exchange rate, and it converts amounts to your home currency. If the euro to dollar rate is 1.08, a 40 euro dinner is about $43.20. No more mental math at the restaurant. The expense log is where you track every dollar during the trip. Enter the date, description, category, and amount. September 3rd, Uber from airport, 22 euros. Dinner at a seafood restaurant, 55 euros. It feeds back into the budget breakdown, so you see in real time how spending compares to your plan. Next up is the booking comparison tab. Compare flights and hotels side by side before committing. Enter the provider, price, what's included, and cancellation policy. Direct flight at 790 versus a connecting flight at 640 with a 5-hour layover. Boutique hotel at 135 per night with breakfast versus an Airbnb at 95 with a kitchen. Everything lined up makes the decision easy. And finally, the savings goal tab. Set a savings target for each trip and track your progress. Portugal trip, goal of 3,500. Currently at 2,100, 60% there. Log monthly contributions and watch it fill up. It turns the dream trip into a concrete plan with a clear timeline. Get the Travel Budget Planner template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy traveling!